In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count checked boxes in Google Sheets. Fix Today here. Let's begin. Open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com, then sign into your Google account. Next, open the spreadsheet that contains your data list or project tracker. Highlight the range of cells where you want to add checkboxes by clicking and dragging your cursor across the desired cells. Once the range is selected, click Insert from the top menu and then choose Checkbox. Google Sheets will immediately add checkboxes to the selected cells. Now create a space for your counter. Right-click the row number where you'd like the counter to appear and select Insert one row above. Click the blank cell where you want the total count to be displayed. Type equals count if open parenthesis E3:E, space. True close parenthesis. Be sure to replace the column letter and row number with the range that matches your spreadsheet. Press Enter to display the number of checked boxes. From now on, whenever you check or uncheck a box, the count will update automatically. If you'd like to use custom values instead, highlight the checkbox cells again, right-click the selection, hover over View More Cell Actions, and then select Data Validation. In the Data Validation Rules panel on the right, click your existing checkbox rule to edit it. Enable the option labeled Use Custom Cell Values. In the checked field, enter 1. In the unchecked field, enter 0, then click Done to save the changes. Next, return to the cell containing your counter and clear the existing formula. Type equals sum, open parenthesis, E3:E, close parenthesis, again replacing the column letter and row number with the range used in your sheet. Press Enter. Your total will now be calculated by summing the checkbox values, with checked boxes counting as 1 and unchecked boxes counting as 0. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.